Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to insert a radar chart on your Canva sheets on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the radar chart on your Canva sheets on your computer, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, select the data you just need to create as a radar chart. After selecting the data, you just need to find the charts option. So it can be searched by clicking on the action button, or you can just go with on the sidebar here, or just go to the elements and search as chart. The chart will be appears here. Then just scroll down, click on the CR charts and just scroll down. You can find the other chart in the bottom section. Click on the CR option, and here you can find the radar chart. Click this radar chart, so the radar chart will be inserted. Now you can just resize it, and you can just have the option to customize the legends, everything. And here you can just select the options of label which should be shown here. You can just easily switch it, and also you just click here to adjust the colors, so you can just easily customize all the colors of the radar chart by clicking it. And you can see the colors also mentioned here. It will be changed according to if you are just making the cursor on the top. This is how you just create and insert the radar chart on your Canva sheets on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.